In China, students and young workers are using social media to creatively escape the pressures of daily life by pretending to be birds. Lord have mercy. This trend involves dressing in oversized t-shirts and mimicking bird-like forms and taking selfies while perched on railings. The phenomenon reflects a deeper desire for freedom and economic uncertainty, high youth unemployment, and the intense pressures of education and job hunting. Many feel disillusioned by the slowing economy and the diminishing returns of hard work, leading some to embrace a lie-down mentality, rejecting constant hustle in favor of a simple life. For these young people, imitating birds symbolizing a fleeting moment of freedom, even as they remain grounded by the realities of their lives.